What's up, guys? Welcome to OMG. So today I'll be showing you Rozdan, which is an app where you can actually earn money. This is a great app. As far as I know, I have earned a bit. I'll be showing you my earnings and other income proof in the end of the video. So make sure you stay till the end. So this is the app where you can earn money by doing simple task, which is like answering a survey or registering or installing an app. So I'll show you now I'll be showing you how to earn money from survey. Around When you earn around 700 points, you will be getting 2 rupees. So per day you have to earn at least 6,000 to 10,000 points to earn a bit. It is as far as I know, it is really a bit hard to earn money because you have to invest a lot of time. And I have also encountered few problems in this app where after even successful completion of the surveys, your points might not be updated on the app. So it actually, there are lots of error even after doing successful surveys. So it depends upon the app whether you earn or not. So we'll be seeing everything. I'm going to attend one survey. I'll show you live now. It's a long survey. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now I'll be answering few surveys. I'll be showing you now. Most of them are product surveys and surveys that are taken for market improvements. So I'm going to attend one survey. I think this one has also redirected to UNO surveys. And I have also seen, I have registered in UNO surveys separately, not from this app. I have registered in UNO surveys. So when I have registered there and try to answer few surveys, I wasn't able to even complete one survey. But from here, from Rozdan app, I was actually able to complete few surveys in UNO. I don't know why it is like that. So they were asking me from they were asking me some personal questions before I get redirected to the original survey. So these were all like collecting my details whether I'll be fitting to the survey or not. Somehow I successfully gotten through the survey. And this survey was moreover about smart TV, whether I had smart TV or not, and what brand I had, and what all brands do I am aware of, and how do I rate those things. That was the whole point in the survey. And to make sure you that this survey didn't take place in the Rozdan app, it redirected to UNO survey website, and there only we are doing it. So I have also tried few surveys, and I have earned around 4,000 points after this, actually after recording this video. And one more thing I have to tell you guys, that it was really hard to record this video by using this app, because it was keep on giving me error message that I won't be able to record it. I am not sure why. So yeah, I have successfully finished it. Now it will be updated in my app, the credit score. Let's check that now. You have many ways to earn in this Rozdan app. Can you see, I was having 26 points when I started this video, and now I have around 726 points. So that's how it will be credited. So, and one important point is that to withdraw the amount from this app to your bank account or Paytm, actually Paytm wallet only, it will be transferred. So you should have Paytm already registered and set up everything. You have to do KYC in order to get transactions and transacted to your bank account. To do that, you have to have enabled KYC and all. And you can also earn points by clicking on the notification bar, where you will be getting on top. It is next annoying thing where I keep on getting lots of notifications, where 50% of the notification won't be giving me any points. Can you see, the 726 is same even after clicking those notifications. So sometimes those errors may occur, but then this is quite easy. But it will take a lot of time to earn even 200 rupees. So minimum amount to be transferred is 200 rupees. Below that you can't transfer any rupee in this app. So there are many ways to earn money by reading news articles or playing games, or even sharing your referral link, making a lot of friends to join this app using your referral code. Earning money in this app is really easy because you just have to read an article, or write an article to earn 150. So there are many ways to earn money from this app, but it takes a lot of time. This is my transaction details. See, I have received 180 after deducting tax and other things. So when you transfer 200 rupees, you will be only getting 180 rupees. This I did last year, I think, during November something. After that, I'm not doing this because this is taking a lot of time, and many of these surveys won't get qualified. So you end up wasting a lot of time. If you want to earn a bit of cash from your free time, you can do this one. This is also legit. There is no doubt in that. So that's all for the video, guys. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, please comment it below. And if you want to join this app, you can use my referral code also. I'll be leaving it in the description box below. So meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.